So I thought I'd just go over to the fence and have a look at the animals, checking out the neighbours, if you will. But I'm wondering whether they're checking me out. They're so lovely. Sometimes they get closer to the fence, but they're a bit wary of me at the moment. So they're staying back and keeping space between us. But they're checking me out. They're checking me out, which they... They're just lovely. And there's the sheep. But I mean, I've seen sheep all the time. Alpaca are just, they're not so readily seen. So all four of them are there, but the brown one is off to the left and isn't showing up on the film, but he's there. They're just lovely. I love them. Bye guys.